Good morning. My name is Julian Guerrero. I am 19 years old. I am from Bogota. I study civil engineering at the University Corporation Minot Augur.
Hi, the cordial greetings to all. I introduce myself. My name is Sebastian Ariza. I study civil engineering at the Minot of Good University, and I am 19 years old. Hi, the tips and possible action to take care of the environmental from home. To begin with, the Department of Antioquia, in addition to beautiful territory, is one of the 32 departments that the present highest level of pollution along in Cundinamarca. Its capital is Medellin, and it's the second most population city after Bogota.
The general purpose is to take care of the environment in the chosen department. First of all, way this Antioquia is one of the departments with more effects on the environment. So Medellin being is the capital is the most affected by pollution. Since this city are classified at regional level as the effect one is in air quality, but also municipalities like Envigado, Apartado, Rio Negro, and Bello. These are cities that also detect begin on the red alert for pollution for the digits done to will define and for the pollution generated by gold mine signs. This territory is the most affected by this. So the government of Antioquia proposed okay ideas to help reduce pollution, such as repainting will define and to help not get more rivers and lakes polluted by illegal mining. And this year, one. This is the second contest of educational environmental initiatives program led by the Regional Autonomous Corporation of Central Antioquia. Corte Antioquia was main adjective is the support with economic resource and accompaniment projects that seek the conservation of the natural heritage of the department. Second, 18% of the pollution in the Aburra Valley is generated by vehicles, hence the importance of using by bicycle and other sustainable means of the vehicles. Three, recycling is other key factor in propulsion. Environment separate wheels and resin is mitigate of the pollution. For like with plastic bags and bottles that are not recycled and up in the water on the ground and to about 100 years to decompose. Hence the importance of using that or replacing the with clone bands. Five, business and institutional sustainability program which seeks to improve air quality in the Aburra Valley, strengthens the monitoring of pollutants, and sets seats and education will be generated so to that children, youth, and adults can collaborate to take care of the will defined in Antioquia. Is the planet by not having the animals is capacity and he generate more designs awareness. And seven, the Secretary of the Environment of Antioquia proposed some key ideas to improve the illegal mining in the Aburra Valley, saying this is one of the most areas. This is one, territorial planning, second, illegal extraction of minerals, and fourth, institutionality and informality. Thank you.
To provide solution to this environmental problem, we propose 6 actions and tips that will help reduce the impact, starting with ours. Number one, take the 3 best of tips which are reduce and recycle. This of help brain benefits the planet here simple collaborative from the comfort of your home. And number two, make purchasers think about current for environmental, that is, a brain responsible consumer. And beyond this, adapt the now let learn to biodegradable. Number three, do not waste water. Save an user of specific action and recreate this service. Do not play with water. Do not spend a lot of time taking a shower or bathing your teeth. Number four, use renewable energy, either solar energy. And number five, grow plants that provide and the private oxygen and the community. Keeping the areas of the house free smoke and population factor. And last but the least, and number six, have an environmental, critical, social, and intelligent things one career and action because you have to think about demand that in general beyond use 30 the garbage or the can. Third tips and recommendation action we contribute on the climate change of the beer for Department that is Antioquia. Great chances can be increased from smart action. We must start from our home. Let's take care of the plan.
3 point. The change that our planet will have in 30 years if we do not generate a new culture of environmental care. According to the report of the Intergovernmental Pain and Climate Change published at the end of 2018, it will not entail the high risk of the year intended upon of extreme climate and phenomenal in the medium and long term that could become catastrophic and beyond human control. Is the northern hemisphere and 2,238 million square kilometers of ice have been lost, while in the southern hemispheres to amounts to 1,121 million square kilometers. By 2030, global the net carbon dioxide emissions will have to decline by 45% from 2010 levels and reach a net zero by about 2050 to keep warning at about 1000 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
On the other hand, over time, the planet will lose of many natural resources that is not be possible to meet the demand of humanity. In addition, a rate of water would begin since at that time there will be very little for many people. In 13 years, we will find ourselves on the planet carbon must be contamination and causing a great problems for living brain reaching the point of death. In addition, is a virus of population who is around on the bar is exponential. Our information is the awareness of the environmental thought that generals are super and the growth and development of planet Earth. Thanks for your attention to the video. See you later.
Go home, folks.